For this tutorial, we will learn how to add rewards to a treasure hunt game. Firstly, log into the Locatify builder. To access the rewards feature, you need to have a treasure hunt project. You can create a new project or open an existing one. Open your project. From the project menu, click on Settings, then navigate to the second tab of the section, Rewards. The rewards feature is an excellent way to integrate digital items, discount vouchers, or coupons into your game. This addition can elevate the level of gamification by fostering competition among players. Besides, the reward feature can promote your business or businesses situated around your organized treasure hunt. For instance, if your treasure point is near a cafe, you could establish a partnership with the cafe and reward your players with a coupon from the cafe itself. Now, let's have a look at the first part of the reward setup. Players earn rewards if they fulfill specified requirements. When configuring the game's administrator can specify how players can earn one or few rewards. Clicking on Add Reward reveals two types of requirements: scores earned or treasures found. Scores earned reward players upon reaching a certain total score, and treasures found reward players for finding a specific number of challenge locations, for example finding 5 locations. Moving to the second part of the description, reward consists of a text and an image. You can customize the title, for example, let's name our reward Coffee Shop Voucher and add a subtitle, Demo. Additionally, you can include an image by clicking on the image logo, which directs you to the media manager. There, you can upload a file, select the desired file, and then insert it. In the app, whether Turf Hunt or your branded app, when players receive the reward during the game, they will have the option to save the image in their phone's camera gallery. Voila! Now you know how to incorporate a reward into your game.